Are you looking for an East End bungalow that's all brick and stone and is not your typical 900 to 1,000 square foot footprint and has architectural flair?
Or how about a home that's got a spectacular addition that's bathed with natural light, all overlooking your backyard oasis?
And a backyard oasis it is. This property literally rivals some of the best botanical gardens out there. All that and more on today's episode. Now, Julie, today we find ourselves at our newest listing, 105 Rose Street in Barrie's East End. Now, this backyard, Jules, I have to tell you, is absolutely incredible. Now, I'm surprised this homeowner is actually not a landscape architect.
I know, Steve, I couldn't agree more. We have the privilege of getting to see so many homes in what we do, and sometimes homes have a little bit of magic, and this one does. From the backyard oasis to the absolutely spectacular interior, this home just has a feeling, and we can't wait to show you. Let's head inside and take a closer look.
Now, Julie said it best. This particular homeowner has impeccably cared for this home. It has timeless finishes. It is finished from top to bottom and boasts over 2,700 square feet of space. Further, this home boasts a contemporary design kitchen with a pass-through, a ton of natural light throughout, 2 bedrooms with the primary being oversized, and a huge spa-like bathroom.
The real magic in this home lies in this addition. With an expanse of windows, vaulted ceilings, 2 skylights, it's filled with natural light. It's the perfect place to relax and unwind or host a gathering.
Speaking of perfect places to relax and unwind, I love this rec room, games room combination here. It features a ton of custom built-ins, additional storage, and a fireplace.
Every square inch of this lower level has been well thought out, from this home office nook with ample storage to a utility space with even more storage for all you hobbyists or just those who like to keep their things organized. But when you're done organizing and you need a little time to rest and relax, we've got that for you too.
Relaxation is exactly what's going to happen here in your home spa area. We've got an oversized shower, a custom-made finished spa. It's the real deal. That's what I'm talking about. You know, Jules, this truly is a lovely home, and it appeals to so many different demographics. I love it for the downsizer, people moving from some of those larger 2-story homes, for example, or maybe the empty nester, or if you perhaps want to have multi-generational living, it works for that too.
Steve, I couldn't agree with you more. There is something truly magical about this home, and it goes without saying you have to see it to truly believe it. From the meticulously maintained home to the meticulously maintained garden, this home is so special. We're the Knowles Woolsey team, and we know Barrie. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.